Hello friends, today we are learn alphabet A to Z with color names. So let's start. Orange color. A. A for alligator. Yellow color. B. B for butterfly. Red color. C. C for cow. Light green color. D. D for dog. Sky blue color. E. E for elephant. Orange color. F. F for frog. Yellow color. G. G for grapes. Red color. H. H for hand. Light green color. I. I for ice cream. Sky blue color. J. J for jug. Orange color. K. K for kite. Yellow color. L. L for lemon. Red color. M. M for monkey. Light green color. N. N for nose. Sky blue color. O. O for onion. Orange color. P. P for panda. Yellow color. Q. Q for quiet. Red color. R. R for rabbit. Light green color. S. S for sun. Sky blue color. T. T for tiger. Orange color. U. U for umbrella. Yellow color. V. V for van. Red color. W. W for watermelon. Light green color. X. X for Xmas tree. Sky blue color. Y. Y for yak. Orange color. Z. Z for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y. Z. Orange color. A. A for apple. Red color. B. B for butterfly. Sky blue color. C. C for cow. Yellow color. D. D for dog. Dark green color. E. E for elephant. Orange color. F. F for fish. Red color. G. G for grapes. Sky blue color. H. H for hand. Yellow color. I. I for island. Dark green color. J. J for jug. Orange color. K. K for kite. Red color. L. L for lion. Sky blue color. M. M for mango. Yellow color. N. N for nest. Dark green color. O. O for onion. Orange color. P. P for pencil. Red color. Q. Q for queen. Sky blue color. R. R for rainbow. Yellow color. S. S for sun. Dark green color. T. T for tiger. Orange color. U. U for umbrella. Red color. V. V for van. Sky blue color. W. W for watermelon. Yellow color. X. X for Xmas tree. Dark green color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Orange color. Z. Z for zebra. Gray color. Pink color. Light green color. Brown color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Blue color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. White color. Peace pink color. Let's learn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Red color. Number 1. Blue color. 2. Yellow color. 3. Dark green color. 4. Orange color. 5. Red color. 6. Blue color. 7. Yellow color. 8. Dark green color. 9. Orange color. 10. Red color. 11. Blue color. 12. Yellow color. 13. Dark green color. 14. Orange color. 15. Red color. 16. Blue color. 17. Yellow color. 18. Dark green color. 19. Orange color. 20. Orange color. A for apple. Red color. B for butterfly. Sky blue color. C for cow. Yellow color. D for dog. Dark green color. E for elephant. Orange color. F for fish. Red color. G for grapes. Sky blue color. H for hand. Yellow color. I for island. Dark green color. J for jug. Orange color. K for kite. Red color. L for lion. Sky blue color. M for mango. Yellow color. N for nest. Dark green color. O for onion. Orange color. P for pencil. Red color. Q for queen. Sky blue color. R for rainbow. Yellow color. S for sun. Dark green color. T for tiger. Orange color. U for umbrella. Red color. V for van. Sky blue color. W for watermelon. Yellow color. X for Xmas tree. Dark green color. Y for yo-yo. Orange color. Z for zebra. Red color. A for alligator. B for butterfly. Yellow color. C for cat. D for doctor. Orange color. E for elephant. F for frog. Sky blue color. G for goat. H for horse. Light green color. I for island. J for joker. Red color. K for kangaroo. L for lion. Yellow color. M for monkey. N for nest. Orange color. O for octopus. P for pen. Sky blue color. Q for queen. R. R for rose. Light green color. S. S for sunflower. T. T for tiger. Red color. U. U for unicorn. V. V for face. Yellow color. W. W for watermelon. X. X for Xmas tree. Orange color. Y. Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.